In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile project management tool that helps you stay organized, manage tasks, and track deadlines with ease. Whether you're coordinating a team or handling a personal project, mastering features like remapping due dates and reassigning tasks can save you time and ensure everything stays on track. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make the most of ClickUp's Gantt view and streamline your workflow. First, let's begin by opening your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look toward the top of your workspace here. You'll see an option to add a new view. Click on the Add View button and a window will pop up with a variety of options. From these, select Gantt View. The Gantt chart is a great visual tool for mapping out your project timeline, and it's perfect for managing tasks and deadlines. Once your Gantt view is open, it's time to populate your timeline. You can do this by clicking directly into the timeline space and dropping tasks where they belong. Simply click, drag, and arrange the tasks to reflect your project schedule. This is where you can start visualizing your workflow. To further structure your project, consider adding milestones, deadlines, or major phases. These are key points in your timeline that can help you track progress and ensure you're meeting important goals. Next, let's create dependencies between tasks. Dependencies indicate that one task relies on the completion of another before it can begin. To set this up, click on the end of one task and drag it to the start of the next task. This creates a clear connection between the two, making your workflow more logical and organized. Now, let's fine-tune your Gantt chart settings. Locate the gear or toolbar icon for Gantt view settings and open it. If your project doesn't require work on weekends, you can toggle off the Show Weekend option. This will exclude Saturdays and Sundays from your timeline, making it easier to focus on your working days. If you need to shift your entire timeline, ClickUp makes it simple with the Remap Due Dates feature. To do this, click on the green bar at the top of the Gantt chart, then drag it to the left or right to adjust the timeline as needed. This will remap all the dates in one smooth motion, saving you from having to adjust each task individually. Of course, there may be times when you only want to adjust the date of a specific task. For that, you can simply drag the task directly within the timeline. Click on the task, hold it, and move it to the new date. This allows for precise adjustments without affecting the rest of your schedule. When you're ready to switch things up, you can easily move from Gantt view to List view. Simply click on the List view option, and ClickUp will display your tasks in a straightforward list format. This view is great for reviewing all your tasks at a glance. In the List view, you can also reassign tasks to different team members. To do this, find the assignment option next to each task. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose the appropriate team member for the task. This ensures that responsibilities are clearly distributed among your team. Finally, take a moment to group your tasks by due date. This is a helpful way to review workload distribution and make sure no one on your team is overloaded. By organizing tasks by their deadlines, you can spot any potential bottlenecks and adjust assignments as necessary. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. And that's it. You've just learned how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.